Hello. The world is mosaic operating in this case in showcase natural's indoors creativity. Among these wonders are the majestic Himalayas, was towering the space race as colossal guardians between India, Nepal, and Tibet, with landmarks like Mount Everest symbolizes human resilience and the spirit of achievement. In South Africa, Colombia stands out as a land of contrast and natural beauty, from its lush Amazon rainforest teeming with life to the rugged peaks of the Andes. The country of their beautiful beaches is beautiful Caribbean coastline dotted with turquoise waters and coral reefs is managed only bit is the rich biodiversity make it in one of the most ecologically diverse plants of Earth. Future high in South America, the Amazon forest remains a past life sustaining ecosystem can as long loss of planet for its crucial role in climatic regulation. Africa's praise is with the vast Sahara Desert and ocean of Sankombawi, much of the continent of the offering nice with uniquely captivating starscapes. Bye.